Hello everyone. Okay, let us learn how to calculate average. Okay, so the data that you can see here on the screen, I have some data regarding height, weight, sex, and some test results of some 5 different tests. So the objective is to calculate the average in all these cells. All right. So there are multiple ways in which we can do this. Okay, the one of the first way to do this is just add all of them, like how you put a normal formula. We can take the sum of all this, all right, divided by count of all this, okay, which is basically sum of the values divided by count. This is one way of calculating it. You can make it much easier without that. So you can use the function average, okay, and click on all of them. So that also calculates. There is also another auto average calculation. So for that, you need to have the data without any spaces. So I'm deleting this row, and here I will perform auto sum. If you can see in the home tab, there is auto sum here. You can click on that, and there is a auto average function. Click on average, it automatically selects the data, enter it, and copy this. Okay, so this is, you can copy and paste this, copy this, and select all the cells, and you can say Control V. That is one way of copying. Or you can also just select all the cells and use the Control R button to paste it. The same file is already been given in the description. The link is given. Please download and practice. Thank you for watching.